baile de favela. Ah, bailão é baile de favela.
Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you guys are fine. So let's start with our today's video. There is an error for Windows 8.1 and for 10 that you need administrator ID to open some folder like System32 of Windows folder. So I have a best solution for this. Let's start our tutorial for this error. So first of all, I am going to show you the error you are facing. Alright, so this is the error, as you can see. Yeah, this is the error. And now let's begin with our solution. So first of all you need is to open the link which I gave you in the description, and when you open it, this file will show your own desktop. So as you can see here, Grant Access version 3.0 by Gaming Tech. Now click on download. Yeah, here is it's downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so that's not a problem for me. So when you have already downloaded, click on extract here. You can use WinRAR or 7-zip for extract any file like this. Now click on Grant Access, run as administrator. Alright, all you have to do is run as administrator. Now click on yes, and here we go. Now click on all these files. When they turn into green color, yeah, like this, exe files directories. Now click on Grant. Here you can see process completed. Now exit it and go to any folder like this. I'm going to show you any folder, like you can click on this and click on grant admin full control. Now click yes, and it will grant your full admin control. You can try this on any folder. Alright, this is the solution for this error which has. So all you have to do is follow my tutorial, and I hope all you have guys fixed your problems. If you have any other problem, please comment below in comment section, and I will upload as many videos as I can to provide you tutorials. Okay guys, sorry for bad English, and please like and subscribe for my video for more videos. Thanks.